I'm going to show you how to make this beef birria recipe, which is super easy that anyone can make, whether you're a first-time cook or you're a pro. Check it out, man. This is by far the easiest way to make the sauce for birria. I mean, I guess you can buy a birria bomb if you're lazy, but look, this thing's really easy. Just get 4 Chile California, rinse them with water, then go ahead and de-seed them, take them out, put them in your blender. Get about 7 garlics. You can get these from Trader Joe's. It's already packaged. Get some black pepper. And I didn't show in the video, but I put some cumin too. Put about half a tablespoon. And then go ahead and put some salt and pepper, 3 cups of water, 2 tomatoes. And that's it, dude. You literally make birria sauce. And you're probably going to have most of these things at your house anyways. Wouldn't you rather have a more authentic flavor? I'm not here to try to sell you on this, all right? It's just good. It's easy, and I like to make things from scratch for the most part. So try this out and tell me if you like this, which I think you will. All right, so get yourself some beef chuck. I used half of a beef chuck because the other day we made some soup. So this is half of a beef chuck. It's about 2-3 pounds of beef chuck. Just get salt and pepper. Don't go crazy with it. Just salt and pepper, and then chop them up into chunks. From this half of a beef chuck, I chopped it up into like 6 pieces. This is all you're gonna need. Next thing you wanna do is go ahead and oil up a saucepan. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna sear this beef chuck because it locks in the juices. It doesn't make it all super watery and release all the juice when you're cooking the beef chuck. All right, this is a secret, but definitely wanna sear these on both sides. All right, it's only gonna take you about 3-4 minutes per side and you're pretty much done. And it should look like this when you're all completed. And what I did is I just transferred it to a pot, all the pieces one by one. And I said 6 pieces, it was 5. Oh my God, kill me in the comments if you want. So what? So I put 5 pieces at the end of the day, and I got my sauce and I'm ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and just dump the sauce in there. And once the sauce is all in there, just mix the pieces around, make sure they're all touching the sauce. That way I can get that nice flavor. But over time, it's all going to get hit anyways because you're going to be mixing this stuff up every 30 minutes, checking on it. All right, so at least that's what I like to do. Check on it about every 30 minutes. Make sure that I'm not going to overcook it. But for the most part, this thing's going to take 3 hours cook time on medium-low. More on the low side, honestly. But just get that nice constant bubble. I had this top on here, but wasn't really digging it. So I went ahead and did my ghetto aluminum foil. If you've seen some of my other videos, I like to use aluminum foil a lot. Oh well, that's what I like. So give this thing a stir. Make sure that you're moving these pieces as you're cooking it. Just don't leave it in one place. All right, because you want it to evenly cook. And right now, this thing is done. It's been 3 hours. It's super tender, super juicy. The fork goes in it really easy. Just take a look at how easily this meat shreds. This thing is done. A su punto, as they say it in Spanish, means it's at its point. It's right on the money. All right, now that our birria is golden, let's go ahead and get a glass bowl out and let's put all our birria one by one in there. And let's go ahead and dump the sauce in there too. This birria is ready to go. We're gonna make them tamales. I'm gonna stuff it in a torta, and you know it's gonna be good. Just take a look at how tender this meat is. This thing took about 3 hours to cook, and I was checking on it about every half an hour. But once it's tender like this and jiggly, you know it's gonna shred easily. And this is when you know that your birria is all completed.